Sam?
Good morning, Sophia.
Not my route. I've got a big meeting this morning.
Help me out. Can you be a little more specific? Where do you want to go?
Oh, sorry. Take me to North Star Trailhead.
Mapping that for you now. Approximately 11 minutes away.
A few weeks ago, I decided to try something new. And so far, I think I'm really liking it. I think. Honestly, I'm still a little bit nervous. Going back to the office was the worst. After a couple of years working from home, I knew I couldn't handle going back to the grind. The traffic, the relentless schedule, business close. Suddenly, my life didn't feel like my own anymore. I didn't have the flexibility I needed for my kids or myself. So yeah, I was a little stressed out.
Stressed? So we're not going to mention the crying in the parking lot incident?
Oh, circle of trust, Sam. Anyway, I knew something had to change, so when a friend told me about a way to explore building a business, I knew I had to check out Forever Living. It's not for everyone, and I'm still not sure if I can actually do it.
Forever has been helping people just like you earn supplemental income by sharing and selling incredible products with people all over the world.
I do love their products.
Plus, everyone at Forever, not to mention your fellow business owners, wants to see you succeed. They've been through it all, and they're available to help you every step of the way.
Yeah, I definitely don't feel like I'm doing this alone.
Exactly. Besides, I know you feel underappreciated and unchallenged. This is a chance to change that while doing something impactful for yourself and for your family.
That's true. I do feel like I have so much more to offer.
Right?
What makes Forever a better choice?
Excellent question. There are many ways to earn supplemental income, but I think you'll find that Forever has a lot going for it. In fact, we're a few minutes ahead of schedule. I found a video that can answer some of your questions.
Sounds interesting.
There's a good place to park just ahead on the right. Accessing Forever video now.
Welcome to Forever. Forever Living Products was founded over 45 years ago by Rex Mon. He wanted to create a company that empowers people, regardless of their circumstances, to build a better life and to be in business for themselves. At Forever, we provide our customers with the highest quality health and wellness, personal care, and skincare products. We can deliver that quality because we own and operate the entire process, from the plants in the ground to the finished products, and even a distribution network that spans the globe. For instance, most of our products are aloe-based. Not only do we own and farm the ground the aloe grows in, but we own and operate our manufacturing facilities, the research and development, the quality control, and laboratories, and even the distribution channels for our products. And we don't stop there. We've been diligent about investing in new technologies and equipment to ensure we always offer innovative, high-quality products. Our product line spans all major health and beauty categories, including weight management, skincare, vitamins and supplements, personal care, and more. Our products are designed for everyone, and our Forever business owners are people just like you who have made a commitment to help others make healthier choices while building a business on their own terms to earn supplemental income. And there's no financial investment required. That's how our business works.
I am so grateful that I chose to do this business.
I am really glad that I choose Forever. It completely changed my life.
We reward you for sharing your enthusiasm for the things you love. The Forever Marketing Plan acknowledges your hard work with potential incentives, bonuses, and international travel based on how much time and effort you put into your business. And you'll get all the tools and support to help make it possible to build a thriving, sustainable business at your own pace. We sell our products in more than 160 countries, which allows you to build your team virtually anywhere. The forever opportunity can be whatever you're willing to make it.
Pretty impressive. I can see that Forever really is a solid company with a track record for helping people succeed.
Exactly. I mean, would I steer you in the wrong direction?
Okay. I think I could probably figure out how to do it, especially with the right support. But am I ready? Do I really have what it takes to do this?
Only you can know that. You said you're unsatisfied with the way your life is going now, and that you need to make a change. If not now, when? Sometimes you've got to believe in yourself. Be willing to work hard. Utilize your skills and talents and take a leap of faith to truly achieve what matters most to you.
You know what? You're right. If I'm going to do this, I've got to be all in. I've got this.
You go to amazing places with that attitude. Oh, and speaking of amazing places, you're here. North Star Trailhead. I thought you had a meeting?
I do. I'm meeting my Forever team. I'm excited. Sam, I think I'm ready for this change. This feels like the right place for me. Maybe it's the right place for you too. Wherever your journey takes you, just remember, you're in the driver's seat. I hope you find happiness and success.
Hey, Sophia's here.
Hey guys!
Welcome.
Thanks.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready to start your forever journey? Join the thousands of forever business owners from around the world. Reach out to the person who shared this video with you and learn how to start earning supplemental income today.